So time to tell us hello and welcome all back indeed to this channel. We've got an interesting one. We have landed ourselves in Pleasure Beach and we've got a bit of a challenge for ourselves. So we are on the entrance side of Valhalla. It's currently about 3:42. So once it hits 4 o'clock, we're going to be able to see how many rides we can clock on Valhalla. The current record is Joel's theme parking and Sunday. Joel's managed to do about 6. Coaster Dad's managed to do about 8 or 10. We're going to try and beat that, so we're going to lap it as many times as we can to see if we can beat the Valhalla record in the park. So highest is 8. Can we beat it? Not quite sure. We're going to find out. Let's stay tuned. And yeah, before Valhalla, this is going to be after Valhalla. Let's find out. So far so good. The Valhalla record challenge is not going to quite plan so far. We've kind of broken down a little bit. It's having issues. There's a bit of a red flag going on. You might not be able to see over there, but on the camera side of it. But it's all flashing red. So we don't know if it's going to be a bit of a evac going on the ride. So. Ride 1 of Valhalla is not going to some sort of plan, so we'll keep you updated. We might be able to get one ride, but I don't think we're going to be beating any sort of Valhalla record today on the content creator side of it. Oh, we got back up and running. It's moving on second thoughts. It's moving. Kind of. It just stopped. Oh well. We'll let you know when we're back off the rides, guys. So, first ride, 1 and done. Well, not like 1 and done, but we've already done one.
Do me a favour, guys, shut that door.
One round of Valhalla done. On to the next one. We've got to try and beat it.
Push the bar, right?
We've got to try and beat all the rest of the content creators here on YouTube and all that stuff.
Thank you.
Ready for number 2?
Yeah, I've got a wet one.
She had a wet one. I'm soaking wet. Round 2, let's go. So, back in the queue for round 2 and about an hour to go, so we've got to try and beat the content creators record about 10, so it might be a little bit tricky on that one. What I've got to tell you on the last bit is that most of the effects weren't really working, or so and anything. Fire working, ice was kind of working but flickering. There were no arrows, no hammer, no roller, and a few other stuff like that. But round 2, we'll see what's different and all that stuff, because it's a bit of a queue with an hour to go. We've got to do this. So round 2 is done on Valhalla, and I'm kind of soaking wet a little bit now, getting a little bit drenched, a little bit cold. So going for round 3 now. We might be able to squeeze round 3 in, but we don't know. Sam's over there somewhere. I don't know where she's gone. But what was it? Round 3. Just under half an hour to go, maybe. Not quite sure, but we'll get on round 3. Let's get on to it. Ride number 3 done and dusted clean. Sounds a little bit wet. I am literally soaking. This has done me nothing, so I might as well take it off anyway. But it's protecting my phone a little bit, so that's not too bad. But on to number 4. On to number 4 around the clock, and it's nearly coming up to 5 o'clock, so we've got to get in that queue. And also, we've got to beat Joel, we've got to beat Theme Park and Santa, and also because they're at 5, we've got to go past 5.
We're going on it a 4th time. This will beat my own personal record. So I've been on it in a row, it's 3.
Yeah, we've got to go for this record in that. So on with for number 4.
Can I just take my phone? My phone.
Yeah, number 4. On the door. Let's go and do it before he closes, eh? See you in a sec, guys, as we come on. Come on. There we go, speed it past. Right, lap 4 done. We're going to see if we can get for lap 5 in. We're not sure if we can squeeze it in or anything like that, but we are literally running for it now to see if we can get the last ride in and that on the fast track side of it. So, let's get running. Go Sam. We got to run for it. Down started. Lap 5. Oh. Oh, damn it, shit. Lap 5 not happening. We've got speed passes for lap 5. Yeah. No, second thoughts. We managed to get lap 5 in. Lap 5 is done. That's it. It's closed after this. It is it's 5:06, so we're not going to get a single chance after this. So yeah, lap 5 has been awesome, and only just lap 5. So yeah, we didn't beat 10, but we're on par with feedback and sanity. So Joel, if you do watch this, or if I do tag you in, we're on par with you. We need to do this. We need to beat you.
Yeah, punches only because of these.
Yeah, we got heavy equipment on us, so it has to happen. So yeah, call out to you guys. We've got to team up. We've got to do Valhalla. We've got to beat Coaster Dad, because Coaster Dad, salute to you guys. I don't know how you managed to do it. Getting about 10 laps or more. We're not quite sure. Probably 8 or something like that. Can't remember how many laps you actually did, but we'll salute you. But for now, time to tell us. See you around. See you next ventures. Target us last one out of the way, shall we? Jeez. Valhalla, definitely calling me. Oh yeah, and I did forget to say as well, a big shout out to all the staff here shout out to all the staff here in Pleasure Beach for letting us go through as well. You guys have been absolutely amazing. I'm gonna say this off because I don't want this camera getting too wet. It is a little bit waterproof, but not that much waterproof. So sticking around. See you next time. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you follow and all that stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Shout out to you guys. Salute you all.